Welcome students, pair of straight line. In this video we are going to learn exercise 4.3 of pair of straight line. This exercise is based on general second degree equation in x and y. तो इसके पहले के exercise it was based on homogeneous equation. So homogeneous equation is nothing but it is a joint equation of pair of lines passing through the origin. लेकिन this is what general second degree equation. So in homogeneous equation degree of each term is same, but here degree of each term is not same. यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे degree is 2, here degree is 2, whereas here degree is 1 and here degree is 0. Okay, so this is what general second degree equation in x and y. So what is this general second degree equation? It is the joint equation of pair of lines not passing through the origin. So u is equal to 0 and v is equal to 0. These are two lines which are not passing through the origin. So joint equation of these two lines, that is u into v is equal to 0. So it will give us general second degree equation in x and y, like ax square 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. अभी as we said, every homogeneous equation represent pair of lines passing through the origin, लेकिन जनरल सेकेंड डिग्री इक्वेशन में ऐसा नहीं है. नेसेसरी कंडीशन है, दिस इज अ नेसेसरी कंडीशन दैट द इक्वेशन रिप्रेजेंट पेयर ऑफ लाइंस if h square minus ab is greater than or equals to 0 and the determinant abc, diagonal elements are abc, h h g g f f. If this determinant is equal to 0, अभी इसको हम एक्सपैंड करेंगे तो you will get abc 2fgh. एक्सपैंड करके आप रीअरेंज करेंगे टर्म so that you will get abc 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equals to 0. या तो ये या ये. दिस कंडीशन इज सेटिस्फाइड. ये अगर कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होती है तभी the equation, this general second degree equation will represent pair of lines. This equation will represent pair of lines. तो ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होती तब, that is a necessary condition. ये है necessary condition. फिर उसके बाद acute angle between the acute angle between the lines is tan theta. क्योंकि ये पूरा इक्वेशन, जो इक्वेशन, this equation represent two lines और वो lines parallel to this lines represented by this equation. तो इसलिए ये tan of theta is same. So tan theta is mod of 2 root h square minus ab upon a plus b, जैसे कि आपने homogeneous equation में पढ़ा है. So tan theta is mod of 2 root h square minus ab upon a plus b. फिर the lines are, see the condition number 1, lines are perpendicular if a plus b is equal to 0. or lines are parallel if h square minus ab is equal to 0. Another condition, the lines are intersecting when this h square minus ab is greater than 0 and the coordinate of point of intersection, see coordinates of point of intersection, so that are given by this formula. Okay, denominator is ab minus h square, ab minus h square, here f minus g and here g minus f, here hv multiply, here b and here a. So that means hf minus bg upon ab minus h square and gh minus af upon ab minus h square. So this is what the point of intersection of the lines. क्योंकि हम क्वेश्चन में, see क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछते हैं कि find the acute angle, or first we find acute angle, then in some question it is asked to find the point of intersection when the lines are intersecting, the point of intersection. Short example में ऐसा question है, so there we find point of intersection. So for that we use this formula. So we will continue exercise 4.3 and which is based on the general second degree equation of pair of lines. So that pair of lines are not passing through the origin. So we start with the exercise 4.3. Question number 4. See, show that equation 2x square plus xy minus y square plus x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. It represents pair of lines, and also we find acute angle between them. So we have studied necessary condition is this ABC 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equals to 0. अगर ये condition है तो that is a necessary condition that the equation will represent pair of lines. लेकिन ये necessary condition we will not write, आपको sufficient condition चाहिए, तो इसके लिए क्या करना होगा? So we will find the separate equation of lines. So how we get separate equation of lines? These equations represent lines which are parallel to the homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation मतलब यहाँ तक जो equation रहेगा वो. So that is 2x square plus xy minus y square minus y square. इसका हम separate equation find कर सकते हैं. Split the middle term. We split the middle term, that is x square 2x square plus 2xy minus xy, then minus y square. So this minus 2 is split, that is 2 into minus 1, so that is middle term we split, so that is 2x into x plus y, and here we take minus y common, so it will be x plus y, then it is x plus y into 2x minus y. That means the equation, this given equation represent pair of lines which are parallel to these lines. So इसको parallel lines ले सकते हैं आप. So that is x plus y plus say c and x plus 2x minus y. Another equation is this 2x minus y plus say k. So solving this, see equation of line which is parallel to this line is x plus y plus c, and equation of this line parallel to equation of the line which is parallel to this line is 2x minus y plus k. So their joint equation is represented by this. So therefore we find its joint equation, we solve it. It will be 2x square then minus xy और ये 2xy, that will give us xy, फिर y into minus y, it is minus y square, यहाँ तक आपको मिला है. Then x is multiplied to this k, so it will be kx, and x is multiplied to this 2c x, फिर y is multiplied to this ky, y is multiplied to this ky, that is minus cy, it is minus cy, then c and this k will multiply, so it is plus c into k, but the equation is this, therefore we can rearrange the terms, that is taking x common, here we take y common, so that 2x square plus xy minus y square plus x plus 4y minus 3, and that is equal to 2x square plus xy minus y square plus k plus 2c into x, and here k minus c into y and plus ck. So we can compare that coefficient of x, it is k plus 2c, and here it is 1, and coefficient of y, that is k minus c, here it is 4, so that see we are not using this condition, Now k plus 2c, it is equal to coefficient of x is 1 and k minus c, that is coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is 4 and the last condition, that is ck, c into k. Here is the last condition, c into k, that is equal to minus 3. C into k, last condition is minus 3. So we solve it, subtracting this, k will get cancelled and it will be 3c, which is equal to minus 3, and c will be equal to minus 1. Then c is minus 1, so therefore k will be equal to, from this solving these two equations, this and these two equations, you are getting c is minus 1, फिर k क्या मिलेगा आपको, c is minus 1, so k will be equal to 3. अब ये value of c and k, it is satisfied by the third equation. c into k is equal to minus 3 is the third equation. आपका c minus 1 है और k 3 है, so c into k will give us minus 3. It is satisfied by the third equation. So that our separate equation of lines क्या होगा, therefore separate equation of lines, here this is, in this equation we substitute c is equal to what, minus 1, and k is equal to what, 3. That means this given equation will be, this is equal to, see, this given equation is x plus y plus c is equal to what, minus 1 into 2x minus y plus k is 3. So therefore this 2x square, this general second degree equation, 2x square xy minus y square plus x plus 4y minus 3, that is equal to this, and it is equal to 0. So it clearly represents two lines. One is this straight line x plus y minus 1, which is not passing through the origin, और दूसरी लाइन क्या है, 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. That means ये कौन से फॉर्म में, u into v is equal to form u into v is equal to 0. So that means the equation represent pair of lines. So what did you infer? So therefore the equation represent pair of lines, and what are those lines? One line is x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Further, we want to find the angle between them. So what is angle between these two lines? That we find. See, we compare the given equation with, ये equation आपको compare करना है, ये वाला equation जो given equation है, this we compare with ax square 2hxy by square plus 2gx 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So you will be getting a is equal to b is equal to what? So we will be getting here a is equal to coefficient of x square, which is 2, b is equal to, which is coefficient of y square minus 1, or constant c, which is not required, only angle between the lines we have to find. 2h is equal to 2hxy. So 2h कितना है, 1. Therefore h is equal to 1 upon 2. We required only angle between the lines. So formula is this: tan theta is equal to mod 2 root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. So what is h square minus ab? Here h square minus ab is equal to 1 by 4, that is h square, minus a into b, that is 2. So it will be 1 plus 8 it will be upon 4, that is 9 by 4. Then we substitute in this formula, so that tan theta is equal to mod 2 root of h square minus ab. H square minus ab is 9 by 4. A plus b, a is 2 and plus b is minus 1. So this 2 and this root 4 cancel. Square root of 9 is 3 and 2 and minus 1, that is 1. So therefore we are getting tan theta is equal to 3, that means theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of 3. This will be the acute angle between the given lines. So there are two parts. One is what we want to show, this equation represent pair of lines. तो हमने ये शो किया है, this equation represent pair of lines. Condition हम नहीं यूज करेंगे because it is a necessary condition. Further, angle between the lines we use this formula, tan theta is mod of 2 root h square minus ab upon a plus b. So formula we got, and theta is equal to tan inverse of minus tan inverse of 3. This is the angle between lines. Question number 5, find separate equation of lines. So we find separate equation of lines. So this is a general second degree equation. If we expand it, you will get the general second degree equation. अभी इसके separate equation of lines we find. See, we will split the middle term as it is, we keep, and we will split the middle term. यहाँ पे 2 और ये 1, multiplication is 2 and we factorize it. So it is 2 and 1. Minus 3 is there. So it is minus 1 minus 2. So we split the middle term, that is x minus 2 square minus x minus 2 y plus 1. फिर वापस minus 2 times x minus 2 y plus 1 and plus 2 times of y plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Then from these two terms we take x minus 2 common. X minus 2 common. Here x minus 2 is left and minus y plus 1, and from this last two terms we will take 2 times of or minus 2 times of y plus 1 we take common. So that x minus 2, same we will get x minus 2 and it is x minus 2 and minus, see we will take 2 times of x minus 2 minus of y plus 1 common. So this is left and here minus of y plus 1 is left. Right hand side is 0. So simple. Here x minus y and this minus 2 and minus 1 minus 3. यहाँ पे x minus y and this minus 3. So x minus 2 into x minus y minus 3 minus 2 times of y plus 1 into x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So that we are getting joint equation x minus y minus 3 into यहाँ पे x plus x minus 2 and here this is left, that is minus of 2 times of y plus 1 is equal to 0. So that you will be getting x minus y minus 3 into x minus 2y, x minus 2y, this minus 2 and this minus 2 will be minus 4, x minus 2y minus 2 and this minus 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. So here separate equation of lines will be, one is x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0 is one line, and the another line is x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is another line. So this is what separate equation of lines. So simply splitting the middle term you will get the separate equation of lines, which is x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Find value of k. See the question number 6. This equation represent pair of lines. So already it is given that the equation represent pair of lines. ऐसा नहीं कि show that the equation represent pair of lines. It is already given that the equation represent pair of lines and we find what value of k. तो इसमें हम necessary condition use कर सकते हैं. ABC 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equals to 0. ये necessary condition हम use कर सकते हैं. So first of all we compare this given equation with our general second degree equation, that is on comparing with we compare this equation with ax square 2hxy by square plus 2gx 2fy plus c is equal to 0, so that you will get a coefficient of x square, that is 3, b which is coefficient of y square, which is 3, and c which is a constant term, that c is equal to k, with 2h which is coefficient of 2hxy, that is 10, therefore h is equal to 5, then 2gx, so x term is not there, absent, that means 2g coefficient of x will be equal to 0, x term is absent, that means its coefficient is 0, therefore g is equal to 0, with 2fy, that is 16, so f is equal to 8. So h is this, g is this, and f is this. Now as this equation represent pair of lines, so we use this necessary condition that ABC 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equals to 0. इसमें हम substitute करेंगे. So delta you can write, delta is ABC 2FGH minus AF square BG square minus CH square, which is ABC. A is 3, B is also 3, and C is equal to K, plus as this G is equal to 0, तो ये second term is going to 0, it will reduce to 0 क्योंकि वहाँ पे G है, then minus A is 3 into F square, so F is 16, 8, so it will be 64, 8 square will write, फिर वहाँ से यहाँ पे अगर G है वापस, so it will be 0, it will reduce to 0, फिर minus C is K, KH square मतलब 5 square, so that it is 9K, so delta is equal to 9K, then this is minus 3 into 64, then this is minus 25K, this is 16K, delta is equal to, see this is minus 16K and it is minus of 192, which is delta. What is given? The equation represent pair of lines. Since equation represent pair of lines, therefore this is equal to 0. Necessary condition 0, that means minus 16K minus 192 is equal to 0. So that 16K is equal to minus 192 and K will be equals to minus 12. So we are interested to find value of K, and that is equal to minus 12. We start with second sub question. Kxy 10x 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. We find here K. We use necessary condition ABC 2FGH minus F square minus BG square minus CH square. So सबसे पहले हमको कंपेयर करना होगा इस इक्वेशन को ऑन कंपेयरिंग विद ax square 2hxy by square 2gx 2fy plus c is equal to 0, you'll be getting a is equal to what? 0, no x square term. B is equal to what? Again 0, no y square term. C is equal to what? C is constant term 4. Then 2hxy. So 2h is equal to k. It means h is equal to k by 2. Then 2hxy, then 2gx. So that is 2g is equal to 10. That means g is equal to 5. 2fy. So 2f is equal to 6. 2fy. So that is 6. F is equal to 3. So we are getting h, g and f, a, b and c. We use the necessary condition. Delta is equal to abc 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square. A is 0, b is 0, so this first term is going to, see, this will reduce to 0. Then 2 times f, or f is 3, g is 5, h is k by 2, minus again a is 0, b is 0, this a and b is 0, c is equal to 4, minus 4 into h square, h is k by 2 square, so that delta will be equal to, this 2 is getting cancelled, 15k, and this 4 is again getting cancelled because this is square, so 4 is getting cancelled. अभी ये आएगा minus k square. So since equation represent pair of lines, therefore delta must be equal to 0. मतलब this is equal to 0, so that 15k minus k square is equal to 0. So k is common, 15 minus k is 0. So either k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 15. K is equal to 15, but k cannot be 0. Why? K cannot be 0. Why? Why k cannot be 0? Because if k is equal to 0, यहाँ पे equation देखिए, if k is equal to 0, then the equation will reduce to this and you will get the single line. As we talk about pair of lines, या तो general second degree equation नहीं होगा, that will be linear equation. So therefore k cannot be equal to 0. So k must be equal to what? 15. So or k is what? 15. That is the answer. K not equal to 0. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get next notification. Thank you for watching video.